So, picture this. You press a button, and instead of scrambling to write everything down, the device records your meeting, transcribes it, highlights key moments, and gives you a ready-to-share summary. That's the promise of the Plaud Note Pro. It's about the size of a credit card, lightweight, and designed for professionals who hate missing details. Here's what stands out. It picks up ambient and phone call audio, supports many languages, and its smart highlight button gives you control over what matters most. But here's the caution. It's not just the device you buy. You'll often need a subscription to unlock full features. Some users feel the price plus ongoing cost is high compared to just using an app. So, is it worth it? If you're someone who records lots of meetings, interviews, or lectures and wants real efficiency, yes, it can be a game changer. If you only record occasionally, maybe an app will do. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews.